What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It is your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we got another big, dirty, stinking base update. Now, as I said to all of you guys before, I'm on my journey to 15k subaroonies. But before we do start, we got to spin that wheel. Today, we've changed the ICP to 20 based ETH for a subscriber / top comment. So before we get into the video, let's spin that wheel. Oh, hey, okay. Bang, congrats. You know what? I really wanted that to come through. Yesterday, it gave me an FU, Lex. Okay, so to show that this is not rigged and I'm not just clicking it, trying to get you guys to subscribe. If you haven't got to subscribe today, I mean, you can. It would definitely help me and I would love you guys from the bottom of my heart. But you're going to get 20 based ETH. I don't know, you guys just whatever the most liked comment is, I guess, whether you're a subscriber or not. Guys, we got a few base utility plays that I'm going to cover today. I've also got some meme coins at the end of the video, and it's actually pretty cool. I found a really cool website that is like an AI meme coin indicator, basically. And you guys can go and use that after this video as well. I think it's going to really help you guys. You're not going to have to like wait for me or someone else to make a video. It gives you guys a good indication of whether or not people give an F about the meme coin or not, whether or not you guys should be buying or not. So we'll get into that at the end of the video. But I want to start with ETH, guys. Look at ETH. It looks like it is close to a bottom, okay? The time to buy was here. We bought here. And this is like the ultimate time to buy, basically. Historically, January of the post-halving year / the inauguration year is when we start to see ETH pick up. ETH has always had like the best gains ever in Q1 of the post-halving year, guys. It makes sense because, look, ETH looks pretty boring. People are looking at this chart and they're saying, oh my god, what is ETH going to do? Is it ever going to reach an all-time high? People are getting scared out of the market right now, guys, not me. Hopefully not you either. And I'm using this opportunity to top up on my top ETH plays. What happens when ETH pumps, guys? The base community is going to pump with it. So we've got to position ourselves. And again, go follow the X if you want to. I've been pretty active on here today. I'm trying to like pump this thing up, right? 2025, I'm going savage mode. Who is going savage mode with me? Comment savage mode in the comment section. 2024 was alright, but next year is going to change our lives, okay? Don't waste this opportunity being a little bitch. And before we get into the first base coin, remember, the most bullish altcoin, the most bullish cross, Jesus, I can't speak. The most bullish cross for altcoins happened a few weeks ago. What happened historically after that, guys? Yes, it's a bit of a front running indicator, but we've seen expansion after that. So we position ourselves accordingly. Coin number 1 is going to be Moonwell Finance. I get a lot of comments saying, am I still holding Moonwell? Am I still accumulating? Nothing's changed. Okay, yeah, it's gone through a correction. Yeah, it's not as high as what it was, but still from when we first covered it. We first covered it on this channel when it was 3 cents, guys. And it's at like 6 cents. So it's still up 100%. It's just that it went up mega and then has had about a 40 to 50% correction. However, am I worried about the correction? Hell nah, because total market size is still climbing. We're nearly going to be at that $1 billion range. Remember when we first started covering it was like 350 million. So the market size is increasing. For everybody who's like wondering, oh my god, is it actually increasing? Go back, scroll through my channel and watch one of the old base videos and you'll see when we started covering Moonwell. And not only that, you look at a chart like this. Remember, this is like a brand new coin, guys. Well, brand new for base. Since it's been listed on Coinbase and it's migrated to base, look at that for a setup. Look at that for a chart setup, guys. I'm going to show you another chart setup for another coin in a minute, which I gave you guys in the last video, which is literally on the brink of Pump City. But Moonwell, as long as we can sort of hold this support here around 6 cents, 5 cents-ish, even if we wick below it, come back into the channel, it's an amazing level of entry. Now, when we come to our chart, guys, do you remember this? This looks like a lot of mess, so we're going to get rid of some of it. Make it a lot easier for you guys to picture. These were our 2 levels. Okay, so I lied. It was 4 cents we started covering it on the channel. We made this chart ages ago. We're now at the bottom range. Anytime we touch a bottom area of a range, it usually is a great opportunity to buy, and it's only foresight that allows us to say this was a great opportunity to buy. Like right here at 5 cents when we come down all the way from 11 cents to 5 cents, okay? had another rally up. Now we're printing higher lows in the chart. It looks like we could be going maybe like mid-January, early Feb. Could be the point of breakout, guys, which would be amazing. You guys already know what my target is for that breakout. It's going to be around 13 cents, guys. We can say that we're having a lovely bull flag or pennant, whatever you want to call it. Maybe it might be even a little bit higher than that, okay? Maybe it could be like between 13.5 and 16 cents. So I stay accumulating Moonwell, okay? You've got to see the bigger picture. Next, very similar to Moonwell, is going to be Morpho. Morpho, another new one, but another one that's just got the most beautiful chart, guys. And similar to Moonwell, the ecosystem's increasing day by day. When I covered this in the last video 2 days ago, the total deposits was 5 billion. It's now 5.4 billion, okay? 0.4 doesn't sound that much, but it's 400 million schmackaroonies, okay? So the TVL, 3.4 billion as well. I think it was like 3 billion last time. So it is increasing. You got to look at these metrics. You got to like forget the anon online who's saying the price isn't moving. Look at, number one, what smart money are doing. Are they buying? Coinbase Ventures has included them in their strategic portfolio. And then you're seeing the actual stats on their website and the analytics climbing as well. And then you compare it to some other projects, guys. The Aave and Morpho battle in Polygon governance shows a larger shift. Morpho, $430 million market cap, is becoming DeFi's new darling on Ethereum. Aave at 5.6 billion faces pressure to adapt. Market cap isn't everything. Innovation drives the narrative, guys. And look, we gave the Morpho call at, when was it? $2.31. $2.31. Looked like it's a great area to be picking up Morpho right now, and anywhere around like $3 and beyond. This looks like it is going to go into Pump City very soon. I haven't seen... This kind of reminds me of like the early Casper chart. I don't know if any of you guys were in Casper, but this thing just kept climbing and kept climbing and kept climbing. People are like, surely it can't keep climbing. Kept climbing. Pump, 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 pump. So again, like, it may not happen today, may not happen tomorrow, may not happen next week, but looking like it's showing initial signs of strength. Remember, base is going to be one of the leading narratives. It is one of the leading narratives of this bull run. I'm loading up some Morpho. Then we come to Alien Base. Now, what I'm going to do for Alien Base is I'm going to show you my charts, show you where I'm looking to pick up. But all of you need to go and watch Dope Oxide's video. He made a sick video today or yesterday, whenever it was, 1 day ago, on Alien Base and the exploit that it went through. Basically, there were some bad players in the space and like used Alien Base as collateral in a way. I don't know, he explains it better, but basically they sold their tokens for Alien Base and then sold that Alien Base for USDC, which absolutely destroyed the price. Okay, so go, I'll leave like a small clip. You guys go and watch the video. I'm gonna leave a link in the description or the pinned comment for his video as well, because I'm not trying to steal any content. But when you look at the chart, I mean, it doesn't look great. I mean, we probably should just get rid of that, right? Doesn't look too great. We losing key moving averages. Yeah, it's not great when you do have this massive amount of sell pressure. However, we could start to find some support anywhere between like 20 cents all the way down to 10 cents. So yes, that is a big range, but I do still believe in the project. So I'm not going to be like fudding or selling my bags, dumping my bags. This is where a lot of investors get wrecked, guys. They will sell into this. You hear a lot of FUD. I've seen it time after time with so many projects, guys. I've seen this thing happen with Fetch AI about 500 times. And look, it's still up a stupid amount. It's not only Fetch AI, there's going to be loads of other coins that have gone through a lot of like fear, sort of FUD, community FUD, not really doing too much research events, okay? Usually it's AI coins. I don't know why. POW had the same thing as well. Looks like it's Alien Base's turn, unfortunately. However, fundamentals have not changed. Exploit's been sorted. Could be a great area to be picking up Alien Base at 20 cents. Okay, now some interesting stuff. Guys, we're going to go check out Ski Mask Dog and then Aerobud in a second. Meme coin chosen by God, Ski Mask Dog in a massive bull flag right now at 22 cents. Holders increasing over time, now 172k holders, and trying to tackle $250 million market cap, guys. Should we be buying Ski Mask Dog? Is there interest right now? Well, I'm going to leave a link to this as well. The base meme token analyzer, AI powered insights. AI-powered insights. What you've got to do is type in the token symbol here, guys, and it gives you a pretty good rundown and pretty good analysis. So right now, we're going to explain it in a second, but buy to sell pressure is 1.68. Liquidity concentration, 71%. Volume to liquidity ratio, nearly at 1. I'm not going to read all this, but some key bits to look into. The buy and sell pressure ratio stands at 1.68, indicating a strong buying sentiment. It suggests that for every sell order, there are approximately 1.68 buy orders, reflecting investors' confidence in the SKI token. A ratio above 1 typically signals bullish sentiment. Now, I want to say that it's great analysis to say what's happening now, but this could easily change, okay? It could go to 2, it could go to 5, it could go to 0.5, right? It's going to analyze it based on the current metrics. It's not giving you a future prediction, but you can say that, like, using common sense, if there's a lot of buying pressure going on right now, the price should follow eventually. And you're seeing it start already, guys. I mean, up 20% over the past 24 hours. This looks like a lovely chart, in my opinion, as well, okay? Looks like we've been in a pretty good accumulation over the past 2 weeks, over the past month, really. So since the beginning of December, are we coming into a massive squeeze before the next season of the base rallies, guys? I think once we do break this resistance here, it's going to be party time, and we're going to be trying to tackle that 35 cents yet again. And what I would like to see is this lower area of support hold, guys. So around like 18 cents. If we go lower than 18 cents, if we lose this low here at 15 cents, I'm going to start to look at it a bit differently. Maybe the chart is going to be invalidated. But for now, it looks like Ski Mask Dog could be on the verge of a breakout very, very soon. Could be like going to that $1 billion market cap in the coming months. And you can see here it has already had a massive rally, guys. Okay, so Ski Mask Dog not looking too bad. 4 million in liquidity, we like to see that. 227 million dollar market cap, on the verge of a breakout. Looks like Ski Mask could be a good buy. And then we come to AeroBud. A lot of you guys really like AeroBud. They're doing great things for the community. Are the top 10 base meme coins with the highest market cap, sitting at 29 million at the time of this post. But then when we check the analyzer, at the moment there's a lot of sell pressure, guys. 0.8 ratio right now. So when we come down, we're gonna have to wait for this one to change. There we go. When you read here, it's indicating that there are more sell transactions, so around 539 compared to the 429 buys. This suggests bearish sentiment in the market as the selling pressure exceeds buying interest. And remember what I said, this can change, right? We could just get a whale that comes in and says, hey, I really like the sound of AeroBud, and then starts to put the buys in, roll on, snowball effect. So take this with a pinch of salt. We'll go and check the chart, and a $29 million market cap with a $1 million liquidity looks pretty good to me, to be honest, guys. Again, it could be doing something very similar to what Ski Mask Dog and what a lot of the other coins are doing as well, guys, which is coiling up into January. It really is decision time very soon. You can see we are coiling up into the apex, which is going to bring us just shy of 2025. And to reach the all-time high is going to be around a 300%, or 250% move for AeroBud. Why would I not put too much emphasis on the AI in this instance? It's going to be the community, guys. The community are based, pretty much, right? Everybody comes through on every base video that I post, and they say, cover AeroBud, you guys need to be buying AeroBud. Like I said, we're going to keep a close eye on AeroBud. Whether or not the AI is going to change with time. If you want me to like keep up to date with the AI, then just let me know in the comments. I will do that. But from our buy at less than 1 cent, it's not looking too bad. That's it. That's my big dirty stinking base update for all of you guys. Remember, top comment gets $20 in based ETH. So go and comment away, guys. If you want more content, then feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.